Today you are comparing Cloudy Pro versus Cloudy Max in 2026. Which one is actually better after the latest updates? I'll break it down fast so you can decide which plan makes sense for you. What are these plans? Both Cloudy Pro and Cloudy Max are paid subscription tiers from Anthropic for using the Cloudy AI assistant. Pro is the standard paid plan. Good for power users, Max is the premium plan aimed at power users on steroids, extremely high usage and early access to new features. Price difference. Pro costs roughly $17 to $20 per month, great for everyday usage. Max is much pricier, $100 per month for 5x Pro limits and up to $200 for 20x limits. So Max costs 5x to 10x more than Pro. Key differences: simple and quick. Usage limits: Pro good for writing, research, code help, normal AI assistant work, but you will hit usage caps sooner. Max 5x or 20x Pro's usage, way higher limits, fewer interruptions. Priority access: Max gets early access to new models and features before Pro subscribers. Features worth mentioning: Max includes advanced tools like Cloudy Code and research tools at no extra cost. New features like Cloudy Cowork and AI Collaborator that can work on tasks, organize files, automate tasks are first available to Max users in preview. Memory and context. Both have memory upgrades rolling out, but large long term context and advanced workflows are smoother on Max. Real world use cases. When Pro is enough. You are a content creator, student, or freelancer. You need AI for essays, emails, short coding help. You don't hit usage limits too often. When Max makes sense, you build large projects, deep research, long documents, software development. You rely on Cloudy all day without hitting interruptions. You want priority for new features and experimental tools like Cowork. After the latest update, so what is better? Pro is better value for most everyday users in 2026. It still delivers powerful AI, memory features, and cloudy code support without breaking the bank. But Max is objectively stronger, more usage, priority access to cutting edge features, and better for heavy workflows. If you push cloudy hard daily, especially for professional work, Max will save you time and avoid interruptions. Quick summary chart: Pro, affordable, good for everyday users. Max, premium, best for power users and heavy workflows. Final recommendation. So, which one is better in 2026? If you want best value for normal use, Cloudy Pro. If you want maximum performance, no limits, and early features, Cloudy Max. Max is more powerful, but only worth it if you really need the extra capacity. And that's all for today's comparison. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.